A pellet tube is a remarkably low-cost and price-efficient smoking tool that will help you cold smoke your meat and other food without the need for heavy-duty equipment or large pellet or electric smokers. There are many products available to choose pellet tube smoker, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best pellet tube smoker from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Smoke Tube for Pellet Smoker. The LiZQ Pellet Smoker Tube, a 12 inches long stainless steel wood pellet tube smoker that comes with a reasonable price and some of the best and highest reviews and ratings. 12 inches large BBQ wood pellet tube smoker that is great for not just cold smoking but also for hot smoking. Massively dense holes throughout the body that facilitate the better transfer of air between the layers and thus to your food. Can smoke up to a full of 5 hours and can provide smoke up till then. A special hexagonal tube that does not roll over the grill and thus stands steady on the grill for better and even smoke distribution. Works great with grills and as well as smokers. Comes with 2 additional S-shaped hooks that will let you hang up the pellet smoker anywhere post-usage, and also inside a smoking grill as well. The product also has a return to refund window as well. Number 2. LiZQ Premium Pellet Smoker Tube. The LiZQ Pellet Smoker Tube is also made out of high-grade stainless steel material. Much like the LiZQ Pellet Smoker Tube, this one is also 12 inches in size and also comes with great reviews and ratings as well. 12 inches large pellet smoke tube that works on any kind of grill and smoke machine as well. On a full wood chip or pieces, the tube can produce smoke up to a maximum of 5 hours. The whole density distribution of the pellet tube is great and decent so that there is no sawdust or dust falling down, and optimum smoke distribution. Can accommodate a great variety of wood pellets ranging from cherry wood to apple, mesquite, pecan, hickory, and much more. The unique hexagonal shape allows for not only stable sitting on the grill but also for the optimal distribution of the smoke all over the meat. The high-quality 304 stainless steel used in the construction of greater durability. The grill comes with a free PDF that includes a bunch of grilling and smoking ideas with the pellet tube. This one too comes with a 100% risk-free return to refund window as well. Number 3. Karpan Smoke Tube Pellet Smoker. The Karpan Pellet Smoker Tube is also a 12 inches smoker tube that is made out of stainless steel material. This is more of a complete meat smoking kit with guides to help you make the most out of your great styled pellet tube smoker. The pellet tube smoker has a dense enough hole to steel ratio for optimal smoke distribution. Comes with an ebook of smoking guide filled with amazing meat smoking recipes. Also includes a digital meat temperature chart to cross-check the temperature readings. Also has a digital guide for BBQ, rubs and marinade sauce. A storage canvas bag to store the tool safely. 5 hours of thin blue smoke smoking capacity when filled in full. Great fit for not just grill smoker machines but also for electric models as well. Premium steel used in construction. This one too has a no questions asked full refund or a replacement policy. Number 4. Premium Pellet Smoker Tube. We have yet another hexagonally shaped 12 inches long pellet tube smoker that is suited for almost all types of grills or smokers or BBQ machines. This one too, much like the LiZQ pellet smoker, comes with a cleaning brush and has great reviews and ratings. It also comes with an S-shaped hook as a free gift. Hexagonal design statement which allows for better diffusion of the smoke from all sides and also does not affect the stability of the pellet tube. Made out of 100% pure and high-quality 304 stainless steel that is food-grade and safe to use. It is coated with safeties to prevent any heated rust formation. Ample holes presence and density for optimal smoke distribution, and enough size of the holes as well. 5+ hours of smoke billowing for great flavoring. Comes with a free cleaning tool that makes cleaning of the smoke pellet tube easier. It also comes with a free gift of S-shaped hook that enables you to hang the tube smoker. Also includes a cover bag for easier storage. Number 5. Pellet Smoker Tube 12 304 stainless steel. The LiZQ smoker tube comes with a cleaner as well. This facilitates easier cleaning of the tube when you are done with using it. This one too has a general 12 inches size of the tube. Greatly reviewed and rated product that is a perfect gift for friends and family and has great value for money. Compatible with almost all grills and smokers. Easy setup by filling the pellets and igniting it in just 3 minutes. Made out of high-quality 304 stainless steel material with efficient smoke diffusion to all sides. It comes with a special cleaner tool that lets you clean out the tube after its usage, and this makes the cleaning process much simpler and easier. Has a dust-free carry pouch that comes with it as well. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.